Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a follow-up video. I want to say it was the end of January when I had showed you guys my pepper plants. So this is what we got going on. So I use the AEROGARDEN, of course. And you can see they're beautiful. So I planted these at the end of, what was it, January. And now we are into about, what are we? The second week of April. And this is how good they're doing. Tons of peppers. And these are going to be full size. So they're not even matured yet, but I just love the AEROGARDEN. And you can get this pepper set. It's called mixed bell peppers. And you can get this set from off Amazon or AEROGARDEN. And I really, let me set you guys down. I really do like ordering from AEROGARDEN's website because they do offer, you know, some really good offers like free shipping, things of that sort. But I just had to do a follow-up video and show you guys here. Also, if you don't know and if you're not familiar with peppers, when you use the AEROGARDEN, since they're not outside, you want to make sure you're pollinating the flowers. Like all these flowers here, let me just move you up. All these flowers here, these are all going to be peppers. So you do this, and that stimulates pollination. It's kind of like the same thing for like what a bee does. So yeah, I just had to do a video and show you guys all my peppers. There's another one back there. But they're growing beautifully. I have so many buds on here. This is going to be a really good harvest this year with these. So if you were thinking about getting an AEROGARDEN, you should. As you can see, it's definitely producing. Only thing you got to make sure of, like these leaves, you got to get rid of the dead leaves. But yeah, so just wanted to do a little follow-up short video so I could show you guys all this. And then sometimes you get this too, just like broken. But check out Amazon, check out AEROGARDEN, and definitely get these. Because when I get done, as soon as the last frost is, we're going to be taking these outside and they're going to go into a raised garden bed. So I know that they're going to do, they're going to do so good out there. But yeah, so definitely subscribe. I plan on doing a whole bunch of really cool gardening videos. As soon as it gets warm enough outside, we're going to be outside. And I'll be showing you a bunch of tips on gardening and things like that. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next. Bye.